Hello everyone, welcome to the course Shadow Analysis of Solar Power Plant in the Google SketchUp. So in this course, we're going to be talk about the RCC structure, how we can able to construct the RCC structure according to the solar power plant which we are developing over here. So over that, we're going to mount the solar mounting structures, and over that, we're going to mount the solar panels actually. And we're going to be talk about how we can do the shadow analysis for this particular solar power plant. So we're going to see which are the parameters that we're going to be discussed actually in this particular course. First, we're going to be talk about the very basic regarding the introductions of the commands of the Google SketchUp. So what are the various commands are there, like how to set the units, how to import the toolbars in the Google SketchUp, introduction about the lines, rectangles and the circle command, introduction about the pull push command and the offset command, move and the scale command, how we can utilize this particular command for the developing of the solar power plant, rotate and the protector command for setting the tilt angle of the solar power plant. We're going to be talk about how we just decide the guidelines and the dimension command, and how to use the paint bucket and the image texturing over the particular solar power plant. So basically, we're going to be talking about the introduction about the various toolbars in the Google SketchUp. So what are the important toolbars are there that is required to design the shadow analysis for the solar power plant actually. One, we require the view toolbar and how to import the location of a corresponding site where we are developing the solar power project into the Google SketchUp over here. Third thing we're going to be talk about is the construction of the RCC structure in the 3D format. So over which rooftop area we want to install the solar power plant, we have to develop that particular area. We have to give the texturing of the RCC structure. Whatever the water tank, elevated projected control room has been available, or the parapet wall has been available, we have to construct the particular thing, whichever the shadow creating obstacles are there over the corresponding rooftop area. So we're going to develop the 3D model in the Google SketchUp software, and over that we'll try to mount the solar panels over here. We're going to be talk about how to construct the modules mounting structure. So basically how to develop the foundation for the model mounting structure, how we are actually constructing the long column and the short column, how we are constructing the rafters and the purlin, and construction of the back support over here, where we have to do the nuts and bolts over here. So everything of regarding the construction of model mounting structure that we're going to be talk about in this course. The further thing we're going to be talk is the construction of the solar panel in the Google SketchUp, solar string sizing in the Google SketchUp, and the solar array sizing in the Google SketchUp. So here we're going to be talk about how to construct the solar panel and setting its tilt angle and the orientation as per the site requirement, placing of the solar panel over the model mounting structure as per the tilt angle what we decided, and construction of the overall solar array, and just mount this solar array over the rooftop area by making appropriate amount of the guideline considering the inter-row spacing. Once we have mounted the model mounting structure with the solar panels over the rooftop area, we're going to do the shadow analysis in the Google SketchUp actually. So in this, we're going to be talk about which toolbar we are using, how we are actually doing the shadow analysis, what are the parameters are there whenever we are doing the shadow analysis for the solar power plant. We're going to be talking about the how to make the animation video of the shadow analysis and how to export that video over here. So whenever we prepare the design report and we just approach towards the client, we can show the video of animated video of this particular shadow analysis actually. So that will make an extra impact of the solar designer or the manufacturer or anything which is related to the solar power plant actually. So it makes a very good impact that we are analyzing the solar power plant in the 3D format, and we are just going in the next step of the designing of the solar power plant actually. I'm your coach, Professor Kiran R. Beldar, welcomes you in the course. You can join the course anytime. Thank you.